Hi, this is Upendra Tiwari, and I am going to talk about Oracle Hyperion as a business intelligence vendor, and we will go through overview of Hyperion, little bit history about that, and then Hyperion as a EPM, enterprise performance management tool. Then what are the models in Hyperion? Then we will go through a small demo which talks about the integration with the financial model to the Hyperion, and then functional summary, then architecture, what are the building block for the Hyperion, and then who are the customer and competitor. Basically, what are the services provided by different companies. So IMRS was founded by Bob and Marco in 1981 to meet the financial and management consolidation reporting. It was called microcontrol. Then Arbor Software has a SBS database system, and they merged in 1998. And after that, the name became Hyperion Solution Corporation. It was based in Santa Clara. In 2003, Hyperion acquired Brio Software for reporting purpose. In 2007, Oracle acquired Hyperion to meet the requirement for the reporting for its customer. So latest version by Oracle is Oracle EPM Fusion Edition, and then Hyperion has a EPM solution. It has a SBS database, which is multi-dimensional database. Hyperion also has a financial management performance scorecard, planning, profitability, cost management. It has a reporting and analysis, analytic tools. Then a smart view for Microsoft Office integration. Crystal Ball EPM is used for the time series forecasting. And then Hyperion has a strategic finance. We will go through the small demo which will show how financial close cycle during month end can be reduced using Hyperion. Let's go through that.
Management enables organizations to plan, control, and execute all financial close tasks and activities, from ERP subledgers to external filings with regulators. In this scenario, it's the first day of quarter-end close. The Director of Financial Reporting, Maria, checks the status of the entire close to ensure there are no major issues. In her work list, she sees that intercompany matching needs to be completed tomorrow. But intercompany matching in EMEA needs attention. An alert has been issued. There are 4 open alerts, but this task is the only one that can delay the close. Maria opens the task and can see the status, start-end dates and times, assignee, and task type. The task action box contains all the information required to complete intercompany matching for EMEA. It contains instructions and questions to be answered. Maria notices unanswered questions and comments. Scrolling down, Maria can see the comments and that an alert has been sent to the EMEA controller, Jonah. Maria opens the alert and sees that the issue is an immaterial intercompany transaction that is out of balance. Maria creates her own alert instructing Jonah to enter an adjusting topside entry and close the task. Maria's instruction is sent via email and posted on Jonah's work list. Directly from the task, Jonah launches the intercompany out-of-balance report to see the exact amount he needs to post. Next, he creates a journal adjustment and saves and submits it for approval and posting by Maria. He can then complete his intercompany matching task. Maria is alerted. She can see that the EMEA intercompany matching task has been submitted. She can now approve the adjustment and close the task. Using Oracle Hyperion Financial Close Management, organizations can manage the extended financial close across ERP and EPM applications. In addition, with the other modules in Oracle's Hyperion Financial Close suite, they can deliver automated reporting to all stakeholders and ensure the consistency, accuracy, and transparency of their financial results.
So this is what shows the integration between EBS financial system and Hyperion can be utilized to smoothen the financial month-end process. There is another demo. It's related to the Salesforce.com and how dimension can be managed from Salesforce to Oracle Hyperion using Hyperion. It's basically dimension management, dimension master data management. Let's see that.
Welcome to requiring complex reconciliation, potentially delaying close cycles. A structured enterprise in data relationship management demo. As companies grow into new regions and acquire new business, challenges can arise as systems across the enterprise must adapt and may have different structural views of the same corporate hierarchies. When changes to the business occur, processing these changes across affected systems is typically done manually, which makes them error-prone. This can result in data that is neither auditable nor transparent. This, in turn, creates reporting inconsistencies, requiring complex reconciliation, potentially delaying close cycles. A structured enterprise dimension management platform can alleviate these problems. Oracle Hyperion Data Relationship Management is an enterprise dimension management platform that empowers end users to contribute to and manage changes to dimensions and hierarchies used throughout the organization. By providing the ability to model the business rules and system constraints governing the business, Oracle Hyperion Data Relationship Management streamlines change management and provides immediate feedback to frontline business users. This results in the alignment of dimensional data across the enterprise, reducing reconciliation efforts. Let's take a look at how efficient the process of modifying dimensional data is with Oracle Hyperion Data Relationship Management. Zach Childs, a business analyst, is inputting changes to an organization's structure after a recent reorg in the Salesforce. He opens the current version of the corporate hierarchies to model the adjustments proposed by management. This will allow him to assess the impact on the business before putting the projected changes into production. One recommendation is to move the sales administration team from the United Kingdom to France, where costs of business are expected to be lower. Using the intuitive interface, he makes this change, but receives an error message telling him that the change he has made violates a business rule. Correcting his error, Zach notes that the location information, such as default currency, has automatically updated when the move was completed. Zach navigates to the transaction history to take a look at his work. This audit log keeps a complete record of all changes that have taken place. Satisfied with the changes, Zach finalizes the new hierarchy and pushes the new structures to Oracle Essbase and Oracle Financials. In this demo, you have seen the intuitive way that changes are made to enterprise dimensions within an organization, while enforcing business and system rules automatically. In addition, a complete audit trail of changes is maintained, providing transparency, governance, and version control.
So that's the Hyperion capability you can use for a different purpose. but mainly it is being used currently, I think, mostly in the places for the financial reporting and integration with the EBS. Uh, it has predefined dimension, member, form, and business rule, and integrated with the human resources management, and then it also has capability for the capital and indirect project, rich business user experience, highly advanced calculation engine, best custom analytic environment. So if you see the architecture of Hyperion as a solution, then SBase is the main server here, and then on top of that you have a performance management tool like strategic planning and dashboard and other things, and you have a core report, financial report, balance sheet, cash flow, workforce planning, and detailed plan, COGS planning, and revenue planning are there. So this EPM workspace is integrated with the Microsoft Office using a smart view. The same thing is displayed using a specific product like Oracle EBS integration with the Oracle database, data warehouse, and OBI application, and then that integrate with the OBI integrate with the Hyperion planning, Hyperion strategic financing, and profitability. Whereas from EBS you can directly integrate with the Hyperion finance management, and eventually user can using Excel to access those data, and it can push back to the with the changes to the Hyperion. Um, Multidimensional database, you have a SBase for that, and that's the base of the Hyperion. SBase is basically extended spreadsheet database, and it is a multidimensional database. You can look the data with the different perspective, like budget and actual you can see at the same time. You can slice and dice the data, and you can do the analytic on the basis of the stored AS-based data. You can also run a time series forecasting on that, and that's why it is very famous, because the performance wise space is very good to handle analytic kind of reporting. The customer of Hyperion, 91 out of 100 Fortune company uses Hyperion for their financial need and for reporting. So 12,000 customer in US across the businesses, different type of business like aerospace, defense, utility, public sector, also used in IT and HR area. Competitor, this matrix shows that how Oracle is positioned in performance management application. Basically, different company has a different tool. Oracle SAP Business Object has a Outlook Soft, and then IBM Cognos has controller and planning, and then Oracle Hyperion has a financial manager and Hyperion planning. SAS also has its own tool, financial management tool. Predictive analytic and data mining, um, almost all the player has some kind of tool, but if you see Oracle and other few has performance management application along with the predictive analytic and data mining. So in summary, I can say that this is very good tool for the financial closing and reporting, and also it integrate very well with the other system like Salesforce, Siebel, Oracle, EBS. So it's good for the organization which has a complex business scenario and financial reporting, and it integrate with the EBS and Microsoft Excel very well. So that's all. Hope you got some knowledge out of it. And thank you for listening this slide.